everybody. I hope you guys are doing well. So this evening, some friends of ours are coming to get us, and we are going to go look at the Christmas lights, and I thought I would take you guys along for the fun. Ron and I are going to brave the elements and go out and see the Christmas lights. We had a little bit of snow on the ground today. It's kind of all melty now. But anyhow, we're going to go look at Christmas lights. I've got my festive sweater on. And you ready to go, babe?
I'm definitely ready to go, babe. And I got my coat, got my hat, got my glasses, so I can see the lights better.
Got your long underwear?
Very long. I sure do. And I got her all tucked in, too.
I'm telling you, you got to dress warm. I even actually borrowed a jacket of Ronnie's because I don't actually have like a full-fledged winter jacket with a hood. And I'm like, I'm going to freeze to death. And I cannot find my toboggan anywhere. I know I have one, and that's all cool, but I don't want to take time to look for it. So I was like, can I borrow one of your coats? He's like, yes. So he's going in a Marshall coat, and I'm going in a Marshall coat. So we're going to be matchy-matchy if we got to get out of the car to go look at the lights. We're told that the lights in Ashland, you walk through them. So I'm not really sure. They say you can drive. So it just depends on how warm we are, how cold we are, and I've never been, so we'll see what we get into trouble doing this evening, and we're going to take you guys along. So we started the evening off with a iced latte, and we drove in. Now remember, I have never been here before, and so there was a lot of people there walking around, and you could take the cutest little trains. Santa Claus was there. You could buy hot chocolate. And what you're seeing right now is us driving into the parking lot, and you can see all the lights off in a distance. It is about 23 degrees, and so we did get out of the car and we started walking around, and you're going to see a lot of Christmas lights in this video. I hope you all enjoy it. I hope you all enjoy the little bit of a tour in Ashland, Kentucky, and if you are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button, and I will be seeing you all again soon.